From the makers of DONHUCHEP, we have an under-cabinet lighting system. It's a 2-pack. They're magnetic with the magnets on the unit. They come in white. They have an adjustable light. They could be stayed on, or they could be adjusted to the PIR sensor of 9 feet at 120 degrees. They come in 3 kelvins, 3000, 4000, and 6000. You could put them underneath your bed, in the bathroom, a hallway, above a door, stairway, and more. What we're going to do is show you how to install and how the unit works. Each unit has its own USB-C cable that plugs into the side that the PIR lights up red and then turns green when fully completed. On the back of the lighting system are the 2 magnets, and you get self-adhesive and the magnet plates that apply. They have an internal battery that take a number of hours to charge and will last many hours of use. You have 2 buttons, the PIR sensor, the USB-C port, and the on and off buttons. To set up the unit is simply pressing the button on the side once for the light to come on. You have a Kelvin as well as a dim button. As you can see, we're dimming down in increments. On the top button, you could change the kelvins from warm to warmest and back to cool. Pressing the side button again once, it's going to give a couple of blinks in low light mode, and when it senses light, it will come on. 20 seconds later, it will shut off. As the light dims down, we are ready for the next time it triggers. With the magnetic strips on the back, you could put it on the door. So this way, when you open up, you're able to see your keys. You could place it underneath your stove in the microwave area and adjust the light level and the kelvins accordingly. Stick it near a bathroom, in a closet hung up. With the amount of lumens that you could put on the rail or a door, and we'll show you the brightness levels in total darkness. This is the medium Kelvin, the warm Kelvin, back to the blue Kelvin, and then decreasing down in the 4 levels and back to the brightest level. Lights could be hung on a metal door, placed on drop ceilings, change colors like so. As we adjust the light to the dark level, it gives a number of blinks. Takes time to set and trigger for 20 seconds or more. Away from the PIR sensor, the light will slowly dim down. When walking towards the light, it triggers, just like so, and lights your pathway. The under-cabinet lighting can be put anywhere imaginable, in an RV, in a boat, in a car, in a living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, a closet, underneath your cabinetry, on the ceiling, by the door. The lights are very easy to install. A set of adhesive magnetic plates to put anywhere you like. Peel, place, and stick. Turn on, and you have light. And simply walk down as it catches your PIR sensor. The light comes on and able to see. Enjoy your product if this is what you are after in under-cabinet lighting. Thank you for viewing.